Hello traders, today is February 7th. We're looking at the financial markets, the E-mini S&P500, using a 1-minute chart. Those of you who are members, remember to join us every day in our live trading room. We have the roadmap software, price action based. It's that shaded area, and the Trade Scalper just produced a signal 5,008.50. So, knowing what we know about price action, DayTradeToWin teaches how to look at the markets a little bit different using price action. The idea behind using both of these indicators is to identify if we have anything conflicting, which means that we do not want to enter long in that roadmap area. So going long as it leads up to that roadmap area is perfectly fine. It's a great long trade, 5,008.50. So those of you who have the Trade Scalper should be long at this point, leading you up to the roadmap zone. So it's very clear how this works. Now, before we continue any further, a little housekeeping on the risks involved with trading. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. Now, as we progress, remember it's Wednesday. If there are any news events, FOMC, or any type of economic reports, be very careful when trading during that time. Now, the roadmap, this area that you're seeing here, the shaded area that says Zone A up. So the Trade Scalper, good, successful, long, taking it up to the roadmap. Great, we're finished with this trade. Now, what we're looking for those of you who have the roadmap, or if you have the entire package, which is Accelerated Mentorship Plus, you have all of the software. You're adding the software to your chart, and you're making these decisions. Now we see a signal here to go short. So the roadmap is telling us to go short, and it's exactly what we anticipated. The market usually lands in these roadmap zones, which we know in advance, and we're looking to either break through the zone or to see it reverse off of it. And the best way that I can explain this is, imagine that traders are accumulating a position, and once they've accumulated, let's say 10 or 20 or however many contracts, they want to reverse and exit the position and take their profit. That is a huge number of contracts that are occurring, and that's the purpose of the roadmap. The roadmap is intended to be a filter as well as a reversal methodology to enter when it hits the zone, and it reverses off the zone. It produces that signal that you see there, 5,010.75. Other things you should be looking at is how much target and the stop. So we teach this in the classes, but if you look down, you see the ATR, average true range, at about 1.5 points, 2 points, 0.75. So this is a good understanding of what to expect, the movement and the distance the market can go. So using all of these strategies together, understanding price action, this is how professional traders look at the market. If you haven't already subscribed to the DayTradeToWin member account, we have a free member account access for anyone who wants to take a look at our news indicator and ABC indicator. You can download that for free. If you enjoyed these videos, remember to leave a comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have over 800 videos, and we try to put out videos every single day about trading, price action, the markets, what's going on, and really what's working and what's not working. Now, as you can see, we're kind of going sideways here at the moment. I'm going to give you a tip here. If the market goes up beyond the roadmap box, that zone, 5,014, if it breaks that, it's a long entry, because that zone is no longer relevant. So before going long, we have a visual reference. Be patient, wait to go long once it breaks outside 5,014, which is where the roadmap zone is. Instead, what I'm expecting is that this resistance, this roadmap zone, is forcing the market to turn around and go lower. So going short initially is the best thing to do, but we do have a visual reference and an opportunity also to be buyers. So use the roadmap as a guide, and it's continuing to go lower, so it was correct. It was accurate to sell. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com, and I'll see everyone at the next video. Click on the links below in the description and check out the next video on the roadmap, the Trade Scalper, the blueprint, the autopilot. All of these indicators and software are included with mentorship.